Hey, so I want to welcome you to our new upcoming class coming next week. It's called the Risk Array class. So if you're trading options, if you're going in and you're got a little bit of an account there, in this class, what you're going to learn is how to diversify and spread your capital amongst a lot of different strikes, a lot of different vehicles. So we're going to talk about spreading your capital and managing the risks. So in this class, what you can do is I'm going to show you is if you go to our Rise to Learn website, you scroll down, it's coming February 22nd to the 25th. So it's a little bit of a shorter class, probably about 3 to 4 sessions. Each night we'll try to do maybe about an hour and a half or so, and try to knock out quite a handful of things. Now we do have a lot of things to cover. So I'll show you here the PowerPoint overall. So there's a handful of slides, but we'll be doing a lot of things also on screen. So if you don't understand what a risk array is, basically what a lot of people do is they go in and when they're trading things like put spreads on Apple, for example, when you're doing a put spread on Apple, and you're going in and selling some put premium on here, yeah, you can go ahead and split it up. But what I see a lot of people doing is they go in and they put, like kind of 10 or 20 contracts all in one spot. Instead, what a risk array is we're looking to spread capital amongst different vehicles, different strikes. So for example, we'll go ahead and add maybe at a different area, another expiration or more strikes and more contracts. So we're looking to actually spread the risk out. So that's what we're going to go in and talk about. And I'm going to show you how to properly do this to go ahead and minimize the risk a bit. So for example, as prices are moving, we can go ahead and diversify and split more capital up in different spots. So for example, like this one, you'll see, hey, I've got a few contracts here, I got a few contracts there. So we're going to go in and look at spreading that cash and capital. So that's what this class is really going to be about, is about how to properly split up that cash and capital to reduce kind of risks and really just spread your money. So that way you don't get into trouble. Kind of similar to what people do with when they go in and they're looking to buy stocks. They don't usually go in and buy one single stock unless it's like an ETF or something. In that case, maybe you do a diversified SPY and you hold it for 10 or 20 years. But in general, if you're doing some active form of trading, you're looking to spread out your capital. You put a little money here, a little money there. So in the options world, it's a little more difficult for people, but that's because they, it's not as trained, it's not as natural as it is maybe in the stock market world. So that's what we're going to be doing actually in this class and looking at spreading risk. So, here is kind of a concentration of risk. People are putting on, a handful of contracts. And then for us, we're going to look at starting to spread our risk around. So anyways, join me in this class. You can join by going to the Rise to Learn website here and then going in and clicking the link here and you can register. So once you click the link, it'll take you to the registration page. And once you go through the checkout, you'll be good to go and you'll know the Zoom sessions. Even if you can't attend live, it's good to register ahead of time. You get the promotion, you get access to the course much earlier. And that way you can make some changes to your trading if need be a lot sooner. You can also register right from Traders Fly. So you can go in, hit that button. It'll take you to that registration page. So anyways, we're going to go in probably about 9:15, 9:30 Eastern time, start out Zoom sessions and go for a few days. So that starts on Tuesday, the 22nd of February. It'll be kind of each night for just a few days. And we'll try and really get some more knowledge into you regarding risk arrays, the risk and capital, how to reduce our risk in certain situations and really spread our money accordingly. So anyways, I hope you join me. And if you want to and you're ready to register, check out the link in the description. And you can sign up and you'll get access to the Zoom class and calls, and you'll be able to ask me questions directly. And that class will be yours for life. Anyways, thanks again. I hope to see you in the class.